Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to build a simple outdoor bench. This bench has a very simple design, so even beginners can build it. You can see the cut list on the screen. Feel free to pause the video if you need more time to look at it. You will also find all dimension and step-by-step assembly instruction in this video. We're using standard lumber that you can find at most home improvement stores. You'll also need some wood screws. For angled screw connections, I recommend using a pocket hole jig system. Don't forget to check the pinned comment. There you'll find links to the PDF plans and the SketchUp 3D model. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with others. See you in the next project.